If you're looking for a reliable, professional, and affordable air conditioner repair in Cleveland, Ohio, well, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be one of the top local providers of Cleveland air conditioner repair and services. And we're committed to creating satisfied customers. No matter what type of air conditioning or HVAC repair or service work you need done, we can do it all. Call one of our friendly, Cleveland, Ohio air conditioner repair and services team now, to set up an appointment. Call us now. Call 855-737-1011. That's 855-737-1011.